In 1988, Professor Sir Charles Kao envisioned that biotechnology would play a significant role in Hong Kong's future and founded the Hong Kong Institute of Biotechnology. He recognized the importance of having a good manufacturing practice certified facility to produce healthcare products for humans. As such, he set the Institute's mission as assisting Hong Kong in becoming an internationally recognized biotechnology hub. This visionary idea helped lay the foundation for Hong Kong's innovation and technology development in the 21st century, allowing Hong Kong to become a key player in the global arena of biotechnology. Cell gene therapy is one of the most promising sectors of the biotech industry, with immense potential to revolutionize healthcare, and has attracted significant attention and investment. However, limited manufacturing capacity has created a bottleneck, holding up the availability of new treatments. The Advanced Therapy Products GMP Centre, located within the Hong Kong Institute of Biotechnology, aims to address this challenge. Designed to comply with the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme's GMP standard, there are 6 clean rooms located in a sterile environment and replete with validated equipment for production and analysis. Together with highly skilled professional staff, the centre will act as a gatekeeper that ensures world standard quality and safety for products. Dedicated to the local manufacture of advanced products, including ones that utilize cell gene therapy to treat blood cancer, the centre also strives to make advanced treatments accessible and more affordable to all. It also commits to supporting the upgrade of clinicians' capabilities to ensure that they remain at the forefront of medical research and development. The centre embodies a dynamic collaboration between the Chinese University of Hong Kong and Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation, and is positioned as a vital player in this cutting-edge field to unlock benchside to bedside, so that remarkable medical research can reach the general public and act as a training ground for uniquely specialised talent in this expansive industry. Realising Professor Sir Charles Kao's vision, our centre will continue to make endless impact on the path to the future of biotech in Hong Kong.